Hey guys, it's Ben. Growing up, I always thought that having a credit card was bad. My parents never really had one, and they said having debt will only make you poor. And that's how I was raised. That's what I would tell myself because it does kind of make sense. Because the younger version of me didn't know any better. But little did they know they produced a better version of themselves, which is Ben 2.0. Younger, stronger, and smarter. Okay, maybe not stronger, but slightly more educated. Educated? Educated? Yeah, educated. So I opened up a credit card when I was around 19 years old. To be honest, at that time, I had no intention of building credit or using the benefits that came along with it. The sole purpose of getting it was to flex. I was dumb. Good thing I didn't go crazy about buying random stuff with it and not paying the bank back. I would say I was pretty decent with my spending overall. Let's just leave it to that and not talk about the random stuff I bought. But throughout these couple of years, I realized the benefits of credit cards and how everyone could benefit from it. But it just blows my mind that not everyone uses it unless you're still drug dealing. I'll let this one slide, hope you're not though. If you're not using a credit card when you're shopping or buying groceries, you're basically leaving free money on the table. If you don't know already, there are credit cards that will give you cold hard cash when you sign up or use it. I know 1% cash back isn't much when you're buying your $15 avocado toast, but that's 15 cents cash back into your pockets. But you have to understand that those cashback adds up over time just by doing nothing and buying stuff that you already buy, I hope. For instance, let's say you spend about $500 a month for food and entertainment. 1% of $500 is $5. That's basically like a free lunch meal for you, or in my case, it's like breakfast, lunch, and dinner. But that's not it. What if I told you that you could earn more than 1% cash back when you shop and also build up your credit score in the process so you can eventually get a good rates on loans when you're buying a car or a house? If that sounds interesting, please smash that like button because I'm not sponsored by anyone here or affiliated with any company, just here to help you put more money into your pockets for free. So nothing to sell here. So for starters, I would steer away from credit cards with annual fees because I'm assuming you're watching this because you just want to save and not spend more or anything than you have. So the first card on this list would be the Citi Double Cash Card. The reason why this one would be a good starter card is because you get 2% cash back for basically anything. 1% back when you spend and 1% back when you pay it off. This should be your bare minimum amount you should be receiving, so forget the measly 1%, you just double your cash back income. Now, isn't that great? But wait, there's more. You know how you're always eating? I got the perfect card for you, and it's absolutely free. It's the Wells Fargo Propel American Express card. You get 3 times the points here, which is equivalent to 3% cash back if you think of it that way. It covers eating out, ordering in for food, as well as 3 times the points on gas stations, ride shares, transits, flights, hotels, homestays, car rentals, and popular streaming services, all in just one card. So basically, for your food, travel, and entertainment is all covered. Can't really go wrong with this card. Plus, they have a sign-up bonus that is equivalent to $200 just by signing up. Now, you might be thinking, yeah, this is great and all, but what about shopping online? Say no more. I got you covered for that. Look into Bank of America Cash Reward Card. This one gives you 3% cash back in a category of your choosing. It could be on gas, online shopping, dining, travel, drugstores, or home improvement and furnishing. But in this case, you will want to go for the online shopping because you can't honestly look at me in the eye and say, you don't shop online. Exactly. Plus, it gives you a $200 cash reward bonus just for signing up, so more free money. Now, the last card on this list is the Discover It Cashback card, coming in at a whopping 5% cashback. The only downside to this is that they have a revolving category every quarter. For instance, from January through March, you get 5% on grocery stores, Walgreens, and CVS. And then from April to June, it's gas station, Uber, Lyft, and wholesale clubs. And the category just cycles every quarter to make it more appealing. They'll match your cashback earning for the first year when you sign up. So that's basically 10% cash back on your rewards. So there you have it, 4 simple credit cards to maximize your benefits without the annual fees. The least you'll make is 2% cashback when you spend, and over time, these small cashback can build up. Just from the Bank of America Cash Reward Card alone, within 5 years or so, I accumulated $556.62. And since I have a checking and saving account with them, I get additional 10% bonus. So that's $55.66 more money. If I were to redeem it all now, that's enough for a quick getaway. Like I said, don't leave free money on the table, and I hope you guys earn some this year. And if you like this, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. I'll catch you all next time.